Okay, I'm giving a presentation about my other presentations because it turns out lots of people don't know what's going on, and these presentations should cover that. But first, a quick state of open PDKs. We have two open source PDKs that was released by Google, the Sky 130 and the Global Foundries 180 MCU process technologies, and Google has run open source shuttles on both of those. It turns out people other than Google have started releasing open source PDKs. There's a IHP PDK that's 130 nanometers that I believe there'll be talk tomorrow. And then Minimal Fab has a open source PDK. Science's Foundry has a MEMS PDK. And apparently Pragmatic announced that their PDK will be released as well. I'd also like to say we've got more than 1,000 designs submitted between OpenMPW runs and ShipIgnite. So I think this is pretty cool, and those graphs look pretty impressive to me. Just an update on me, I'm no longer at Google, but I'm still doing open source silicon. I'm setting up a research lab focused on open source silicon, and my new group is hopefully going to be starting to fund shuttles again for people. So that's pretty cool. These presentations are kind of out of date, you'll see. The first one is this FOMU. If you would like an FPGA that fits in your USB port, come and ask me because I'll give you one. If you're interested in IC education, have a look at this talk. If you're interested in analog, I highly recommend looking at this talk. If you're interested in what Google was doing with NIST around cryogenics or nanotechnology, have a look at this talk. If you're interested in FPGAs and SerDes, especially how we get to PCIe and USB 3 in the open source world, look at this talk. If you're looking at embedded FPGAs, this talk from 2022 is probably interesting to you. If you're interested in wireless, take a look at this talk. If you're looking at secure silicon development, this talk will probably be interesting to you. I also have a bunch of design docs that are mostly incomplete. So this one's on hardware accelerator designs. This is on how I think PDKs should be put together. This is how to build better and test PDKs. This is how to build test environments, including a whole bunch of FPGAs you can access right now. Go play with it. And I highly recommend checking out Antmicro stuff, because they have cool things like this.
Well done, audience.
Back up and
Ooh. You're negative.
Then you can ask me about.
Okay, the videographer's just great.
Thanks, Tim. All right. Brad,
Nice.
up next.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, so my name is Franz. I built a waveform viewer, which it seems like everyone has heard of at this point, which is